Hello everyone, welcome to Vidya's Cake Fantasy. Today I'm going to show you a minion cake. So let's get started. For this cake I have used pristine premix and the measurement for the pristine premix is 1 cup and 1/4 cup maida, 50 grams of oil and 100 grams of water. Mix it nicely. This is a half kg recipe. So I'm going to use a tin that is 6 by 4 inch tin. Pour this batter in this tin and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Now your cake is baked, your cake is ready. To remove from the tin, use a knife and scrape out from the sides of the tin. This way you can easily remove the cake from the tin. The cake is super soft. Now I'm going to layer the cake. I'm going to give the first layer. Now I'm going to save this first layer for the design that we are going to make later. Now the second layer. So I'm going to give only 2 layers. For filling I have used whipping cream and Kashmiri Gulab. This is a homemade brand which tastes very good. So I'm giving only 2-3 drops of Kashmiri Gulab into my whipping cream and I'm just going to mix the cream. Now I'm going to soak the cake with simple water. Now the filling, and on top of it again a simple syrup, and repeat the process. This is called the crumb coat method. So we have crumb coated our cake. Now for the main icing I have used whipping cream and yellow color. This is liquid color, Color Splash yellow color. I wanted to give an yellow color to my cake for a minion look. So now I'm going to cover the whole cake with this yellow color cream. So our finishing cream is ready. Now time for minion specks. For this I'm going to use the first layer which we have kept aside. Now I'm going to crumble the cake and taking some of the quantity. I have used black gel color and whipping cream into it to give a proper shape. I have done a dough using cake crumbles. And I'm going to make a specks out of this ball. You should use your cream very little. So we are going to make a minion cake, minion specks without using any fondant. So roll it with your hands. It's a little messy work, but still you can get a good shape. So I have prepared the specs. I'm going to apply on the cake. So first side I have applied, and now the next one. So this one side is slightly bigger, so I'm going to remove some of the pieces. Now it's perfect. Now again for eyes, I have used the same dough. It should be in bigger in size. So this way we can give the shape to our dough. I'm just marking with the help of a toothpick to give a proper shape. Now our ice is also ready. We need to just place the ice over the cake. So this is the first eye I'm placing. And the next eye. I have placed the next eye. To give a proper eyes, I have used whipping cream. I'm just going to give a outline, and then I'm going to fill inside the cake, inside the ice. With the help of a spatula, you can remove the excess. So our specs is ready. Now to highlight the specs, I have used neutral gel, and I'm just going to apply the neutral gel all over the fondant. This is a cream fondant. So now I'm going to place the ice again with whipping cream fondant. Again I'm going to brush with neutral gel on it to give a perfect look. Now using a same black fondant cream, I have given a mouth. For the lips, I have used neutral gel. Add some of the water, 1 or 2 drops of water, and I'm going to add red gel color. And in a piping bag, I'm going to give the lips. Now time for minion dress. I have already marked the cake, marked the dress. I have used blue liquid color in the whipping cream. While watching my video, please like, share, comment and hit the bell icon. So our dress is ready. Now I'm going to give buttons. In this whole cake I have not used any fondant. I have just used the premix cake. I have crumbled the cake and I have added a black color and whipping cream to it. That's it. That is our fondant. Now for hair also, same black fondant I have used. Now for the dress, I am going to give an outline. So minion is ready. Hope you all enjoyed. Thanks for watching.